Everyone wants happiness. Everyone's searching everywhere for happiness, trying everything to find happiness. Catching this and buying that and wearing this and wearing that and seeing this and seeing that and going here and going there. Why? Brahmanda Brahmatakon Bhagavana Jeev. Brahmanda Brahmatakon, wandering universe after universe after universe, country after country. I was in India. It's so boring. I got a degree. I got IIT graduate. I got a job in Boston. Yeah. And now I'm in America. I'm enjoying like anything. Wet stool laughing at dry stool. Analogy Gurudev used, Prabhupada. He said, what is this material enjoyment? Wet stool laughing at dry stool. There's some Bengali village thing. So devotees didn't, what is he talking about? So someone thinks, oh, I'm enjoying. I'm enjoying like anything. So then someone else he's suffering. He says, you're enjoying, but I'm suffering. I'm going to die next week of cancer. I'm suffering. Acha. Well, I'm enjoying. I just inherited $1 million. I'm 25 years old. And I make 10 lakhs a month anyway. So now there's $1 million, I'm going on a little vacation. When I come back, I'll still have my 10 lakhs. Not bad. So, Prabhupada said, this material enjoyment, the sukh and dukkha, is like wet stool laughing at dry stool. So the wet stool is on, the stool is on the wall. All the cow dung patties. So one gets dry. One becomes dry, and the other one next to is wet. So the wet one's laughing at the dry one. So ha ha ha! Now you're dry. So what are you laughing? He said, now you're going to get burned up. You're finished. He said, well, this is your fun. I'm going to die now. You're laughing, you know. So now, but you also get dry, don't you know? No, I'm wet. I'm cool. I'm stuck on this wall. I'm not going anywhere. So he said, this is like the materialists. Everyone is going to death. Death is the dry gober. Everyone's getting burned, literally in a shamshan, or burned by the Davanagni, material existence. But no one is smart. That's just a side point. So this Gaudiya Sampradaya, it's a Madhurya Sampradaya. Raganuga Bhakti. The fact is this, and that's why it's been covered. If your mission, the mission of Gaudiya Vaishnavism is to give the pure love of Radha and Krishna Vrindavan and to inspire and encourage everyone to attain Vrindavan, worship Radha and Krishna. This is the prayojan. This is the goal. Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari. Kunja Bihari means Radha and Krishna enjoying Rati Keli, union in the Kunja. Some manjaris fanning, giving some tambo, betel nuts, some cooling drinks, some massage of the feet, covering, singing, speaking poetry. So many sevas. So this is the goal. How to get there? So Lord Chaitanya is teaching. So he gives, because Lord Chaitanya said, many souls will come to me, Rupa Goswami, because my Gaudiya Vaishnavism will become so attractive and so wonderful, everyone will want to take part. So these souls that are coming to me from their last life, they met a guru, and the guru gave them Sakiras in their heart, Sakirati, or the guru gave them Vatsalyarati, or Dasyarati. And so, from different sampradayas and different places, but they will come. We've seen many devotees who come into the Gaudiya Sampradaya, and after some time, they left to go to Nimbark Sampradaya and develop Sakhi Bhav. They left and gone to the Madhva Sampradaya to develop Dasya Bhav. Dasya Bhav going to Vaikuntha, worshipping Udupi Krishna, you go to Vaikuntha, Dasya Bhav. But they became Gaudiya Vaishnavas. I've seen in the 45 years I'm in the Gaudiya Vaishnavism. Because this is the most attractive and popular Indian religious movement in the world, is Gaudiya Vaishnavism, with all its branches and whatnot. Very popular. It's very social, a very social type of dharma. It's very social and very festivals and social, and a lot of things happening. So Lord Chaitanya, he told Rupa Goswami, you touch a little bit. So Rupa Goswami has a chapter on Sakya Ras in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. And he's a chapter on Dasya Ras. And he has a chapter on Vatsali Ras. But then the majority of the book is about Madhurya Ras. And then to fulfill the actual teachings of Lord Chaitanya, which is Madhurya Ras, he wrote a whole book, 3,000 verses, Ujjwala Nilamani. This is the sequel. This is the sequel to Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. It's only about Radharani and only about Krishna and only about the Sakhis and Manjaris. That's it. This is Gaudiya Vaishnava Sampradaya. Radha and Krishna, Vrindavan, Sakhis and Manjaris. Chaitanya Charitamrita is all about Madhurya Leela. The Bhagavatam, the purpose of the Bhagavatam is to bring us to Braj Leela. Upadeshamrita, it's a shiksha. Rupa Raghunatha Pade Habe Akuti. Narottam Das, Thakur. Rupa Raghunatha Habe Akuti. When will I become akuti, eager and desirous and enthusiastic about following Rupa Goswami and Raghunath Das Goswami? Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, he ends every chapter of Chaitanya Charitamrita by saying Rupa Raghunatha Pade. The goal of my life, I'm Krishnadas Kaviraj. The goal of my life is the lotus feet of Rupa Goswami and Raghunath Das Goswami. They're saying that, and that means that the teachings of Rupa and Raghunath, and of course Sanatan, a few books, they're so essential for Gaudiya Vaishnavism, so essential for the Gaudiya Sampradaya. They should be understood and followed and taught. So therefore, Lord Chaitanya, this book is all about the gopis and manjaris. And what's the time now?
5:10.
5:10. All right. So I wanted to speak on Ujjwala Nilamani. It was kind of an introduction to, because we're picking up where we left off in chapter 4, Sakhi Prakaran. And we'll continue there next time, by Krishna's grace.